So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter. You want to double click on it. And then click on properties. And then click on Internet Protocol version 4. And you now want to select obtain the IP address automatically. And you want to select obtain DNS server address automatically as well. So select both of these default options and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find network and internet. Click on run. And then once this comes up, if it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig space / flushdns. Click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset. And click on enter again. And now you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.